Knuckleheads decided that they wanted to be on day 3's rebuild. Now these good boys got Keith here tonight, and honourable mention, Big Dale and little Keith. You just got to wait now. You probably didn't want to be here, but you just have to sit here and chill out. Welcome to day 3 of my rebuild. I feel quite positively vile. You got to take the bitter with the sweet, folks. So I'll put my stats up on the screen. Nothing has changed there, apart from my resting heart rate was up to 52, up from 47 or 48. My blood pressure was up to around 122 over 80 or something to that effect. Look at these beautiful boys. Here's Keith, my red heeler crossed with American Staffordshire Terrier, and Big Dale, who's a mastiff cross. They think pit bull crossed with a Rhodesian Ridgeback. Bit of a mystery in there. So you guys are going to have to bear with me. Like I said, my mood is okay. I felt alright, but I feel pretty rough. I feel like I'm probably going into ketosis, so I don't have very good energy today. Felt alright. Did my cold plunge. Did my meditation with Sam Harris's app. I am about to have my protein shake and we'll put my diet up. Nothing has changed though. I just figure, just to show you, my weight was a little bit down as well, 87 even. So again, just water weight at this stage. Didn't climb, didn't do any weights, didn't do anything like that. My hands are still pretty sore, so I'm giving them a break. I felt vile on my ride, even though I still did my 32 kilometer ride, and did some content videos, and it's Start Building Me is Start Building Me. So I'll start building the site. So it's how very meta is it. It's just going to start being pretty ordinary in production values, and it's going to increase and improve over time. Isn't that right, my little rat dog? They had a bath, cleaned up the house, so that was a good little bit of progress that I had there. Got to have some wins there. I keep on forgetting, folks, that I'm having Vital Greens, which is like you hear all the sponsors on different podcasts talking about athletic greens. Vital Greens is just an Australian variant. If people are saying, hey, you're not eating any vegetables or eating any fruit for the first few weeks, even months maybe, this is true. I'm not going to change that. It's I'm not sure if it's called an isotonic diet, but I've had a good diet success in the past doing competitive sports like boxing and jiu-jitsu by breaking down my macronutrients, vitamins and minerals, and drinking them in forms of shakes. I find that in addition to my blood work shows that I don't have any deficiencies as a result of that, and my performance is always as high as I'd expect it to be in terms of beating personal best times and whatnot. However, like I said, I feel nauseous now. I did the stupid thing if you've done a hard exercise session, all the blood goes to your muscles. So then if you dump a whole bunch of water on top of it, instead of sipping it during your exercise period, it will make you feel really nauseous. So I've just gone and made myself nauseous. So as you can see, Diamond Dale is doing what I'm just about to do, and go down and get some horizontology, probably with Big Diamond Dale. He's a good spooning buddy. And Keith, you're looking a bit nervous, mate. You've never been in here before. You never really get here on time. It's just Dale who's trained with him before on the Start Building Me stream. So welcome, Keith. You've made it for day 3. You're both famous on the web now. Day 3 of the rebuild series. Yes, Dale, you can see Dale is quite comfortable. Quite comfortable indeed, aren't you, Dale? Just, happy to sprawl it all out there for the internet. Well, that's the way to be, Dale. But anyway, all in all, you got to take the bitter with the sweet, folks. Like I said, you got to have down days and up days. But hey, you gotta, nothing stops progress. I feel like having a bad training session is better than not having a training session at all. So I figured I'd have my ride, feel like rubbish, come back, do a crappy stream. Sorry, folks, to anybody that watched that, and then do my rebuild day 3, which is, like I said, now money in the bank. The vitals are up. The exercise was complete, even though I didn't feel great. And hopefully I have a good night's sleep tonight, which I didn't last night. I think it has something to do with you, young Keith, coming and hassling me. Keith's 3rd birthday on the 27th of this month. Diamond Dale turned 3 on the 1st, and I forgot your birthday. See, I'm a terrible father, aren't I? Big Gut Dale. Hey, how you going? Oh, he's my good boy. As you can see, folks, Crazy Dave isn't an ironic nickname. So I think I pretty much covered everything there. Pretty low-key day. Neutral mood, but crappy performance. But hey, like I said, it's not a straight line up, folks. Like a trade indices, like a stock indices, like a stock index rather, singular. It's never a straight line. It's ups and downs, folks, and that's like life in general, and training's no different. If anyone can hear that clopping noise, that's Mr. Klopp is one of Keith's alter egos, as I call him, because he's either clopping his tail near my head when I'm sleeping or trying to lick me, and it makes a clop, clop noise when he does it. You right there, Keith? You right there, Dale? And you're fine by the look of you. Anyway, folks, that's enough of my garbage. But yeah, Vital Greens, I am having that. I should probably use salt in the morning to get some sodium as well. I might start adding that in next week. I don't think I've got a sodium deficiency. I'll get a blood test on Friday, so we can see what my baseline is. Nothing really changes in a week, folks. That's why I didn't really need to get my blood test straight up. Day 3 done. Take it easy.